Make sure these things are installed beforehand, your Unity project open, and your SDK updated. Then you can double click the Unity package and click import. Then navigate to Vio, Props, Headbonk and BonkBat, VRC Fury prefab, and we'll be resizing it for Mayu, so we'll do any avatar. And we'll have the baseball bat and headbonk prefab here. So starting with the headbonk, we'll just click, drag, and drop it on the name of the avatar. And then expand the headbonk prefab until you see this object, add headbone here, target transform. Click that, and then expand advanced settings. We want to put your avatar's headbone here in target transform. Be sure to lock your inspector, and then you can expand your hierarchy here all the way to your head, and then click, drag, and drop your head right here in target transform. Great, then we just need to place the particles. This is a little placeholder object that gets deleted on upload. You can just click this object and then grab the handle and move it down. Just wear it like a halo here. That's it for the headbonk prefab. Now for the baseball bat, just click, drag, and drop it on the name of your avatar like before. This transparent bat is just a placeholder for your left hand position, but since it's mirrored, all we need to do is place the right hand constraint and scale object, and we can scale this object too, and both will scale. All done. Let me know if you have any questions. My Discord's in the description. Bye.